Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In today's video I'm going to test this Mistral AI, which is I think the only AI model from Europe. I'm going to test how good it is for Laravel development, and I'm going to create a contact page. I have done some videos about the contact page. I'm not going to copy that prompt I have in my ChatGPT. I have installed some skills, and I'm going to say create a contact page, and we're going to see. So you can go to mistral.ai to learn more about this AI model. Here is the project, which is a Laravel 13 with Livewire. It's an empty project. And now I'm going to open the terminal. I am in the Mistral directory, and I'm going to use Vibe here, which is like a cloud code for cloud. This is for the Mistral. And yeah, I'm using right now Devstral 2. As you can see, API experiment plan and 200k tokens. Now we can change. So here we are on the default. We can change the plan, accept edits, auto approve, lean, and so on. I'm going to leave the default one. I'm going to ask which skills do you have, because as I told you, I have installed some skills. And yeah, as you can see, I have Caveman, Diagnose, Find Skills, Flux UI, Fortify, also this Grill with Dogs, Improve Code-Based Architecture, Laravel Best Practices, Laravel Development, Best Testing, Tilion CSS, TDD, and Vibe. This is from this Vibe CLI. Now I'm going to say to create a contact page, just like that, and I'm going to use Mailtrap for this. So I'm going to use Mailtrap for Laravel. I'm going to zoom it. But yeah, let's come here and let's say use the grill me, and then I'm going to say create a contact page. I will use the Mailtrap for this. And now grill me is going to ask me some questions. I'm going to say yes here. It's going to read the mail PHP, very good, and .env.example. And we have a question 1. Page type and technology. Should this be a static blade view, Livewire component, or Flux UI component? I'm going to say Livewire component, which is also recommended here. So just let's copy this and paste it here. Livewire component. Options, form fields, minimal, name, email, message, standard. I'm going to say standard, also we have standard here. Access control should be public or authenticated only, public. And the route URL will be just contact /contact. I'm going to do this one this time, single mailer. And we have question 31, last check. Or shall I implement now? I'm going to say. And we have 8 to-dos. So create mailable class, create Livewire component, create blade view, and yeah, has created the Livewire component in the app Livewire contact form, which is a class one and a blade one. Okay, so all green here. And we have also files created, contact form mail, views, emails, contact form, then the Livewire contact form, Livewire contact form blade, also views contact blade, routes updated, config mail, added this contact mail there, email, and also in the .env example added Mailtrap SMT plus contact mail, and also the test. Now, yeah, add Mailtrap credential to .env file, which I have done. Okay, I added my credentials here and also the contact mail here. And maybe I'm going to zoom it here, this one, not this one, but this. Okay, so here we are inside the .env file. I have updated. Then in the mail, config mail PHP, as you can see, we have this contact mail. Then in the .env example, has added this. Okay, next let's open the web routes. Here we have this route view / contact using the contact blade. Here's the contact blade. And here has added this contact form, which is a blade, and this is a Livewire component using the app Livewire contact form here. We're going to see first to test this one. So let's navigate the / contact. Here's the form. If I say send message, we have validation. I'm going to send now, and yeah, app mail contact form mail subject must not be defined as in class illuminate mail label. So in the contact form mail, I'm going to copy this error and I'm going to ask the AI. I have chosen here to auto approve, as you can see. Okay, so all 10 tests pass. Let's see now again. If I refresh, send, yes, not fake filler, send the message, and I think right now it's working. So your message has been sent successfully. We can come here and of course here's the message. So everything works. Let's go and see also here. What I want is to use a full page Livewire component, not the traditional class and blade here. And I'm going to ask the AI. I just asked to convert the contact form Livewire component to be full single page component and use it in a route the same as the profile. Okay, it's going to search for the profile and it's going to see. Okay, I think everything works because also here we can see we don't have the Livewire component here, Livewire class. Let's run also the npm run build, but I have here composer run dev, so it's okay. Let's see first the Livewire. We have route Livewire, pages contact, and here we have a full page component in the pages contact blade. Good, let's see if it's going to work or not. So come here. This is full width, which I don't like, but okay. If I say send message, yes, and now send a message, sending. Okay, your message has been sent successfully. Come here and here is the message. Now let's see also the code. This validate, first is going to validate. Here we have the rules. Then this is submitting to change to true and it's going to try and catch mail to config mail contact mail. And inside the config, yeah, we have in the .env file the contact mail is this email, and also if we see here is contact@example.com. Okay, then send new contact form mail, sender name, email subject and user message, flags toast, and yeah, catch then, and finally this is submitted to change the false. Okay, let's go the mail, contact form mail, use queueable, construct, envelope, we have subject, contact form, and then this subject. Okay, so here is contact form. Markdown, we have this emails contact form. In the views, emails contact form is here. And yeah, we have with name, email, subject, and message. And we have name, email, subject, and the message. Okay, friends, that's it all about this video. What I wanted to show you, to create a contact form using also this mailtrap.io and using the Mistral AI with the grill me skill. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'm going to create more videos about this, or if you have something else, you just drop a comment on this YouTube video. All the best and see you later.